Good morning children. Today I am going to start 5th class maths. Children, all of you take your textbook ma. This is your textbook standard 5 course book term 1. Okay, standard 5 course book term 1 and take out the page number. Take out the page number 57. Okay, page number 57 ma. Okay. 57 I already completed first, second, third questions children. In section 2 I have already completed first, second, third. Okay, students, I will explain fourth question. Okay, fourth question. See amma, 34 cricket bats cost 19,448. Okay, 34 cricket bats cost entama 19,448. If the cost of the bats is equal, find the cost of each. Okay. 34 cricket bats cost in the charama 19,448. Okay. They given 19,448. Now what we have to find children? One cricket bat cost children. Okay. Here write down. Fourth question, 34 cricket bats cost is equal to how much? Rupees 19,448. Ona? See children, now divide this. Okay. Do this and 19,448 with 34. Okay. First of all, you have to write the 34 table children here. 34 panja, 34. 34 twos, 34 threes, 34 fours, 34 fives, 34 6, 34 7s, 34 8s, 34 9s, 34 10s. Okay, 34 2s, 68. Okay, 68. 102. 136. Okay, next 170. Okay ma, 204, 238, 262, 272, 304, 306. This is the 34 table children. See children, 34. Here if you take one digit number, this is very smaller than 34. If you take two digit numbers, it is also smaller than 34. So take 3 digit numbers. Okay. 3 digit numbers means 194. Where is the 194 children? there is no 194. Okay, in 170 and 204 we have the, in between we have the 194. Okay, in between 170 and 204 we have the 194. 170 and 204, which is the smallest number, children? 170. Okay, 170. When comes 170? 5 ja, 34 5 ja, 34 5 ja, 170. Now subtract this. 194 minus 170. Here 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Here, see children, 24. 24 is also smaller than 34. Now take this number. Okay. Here we get 244. See children, where is the 244? The 244 is in between the 238 and 272. Okay. 244 is in between the 238 and 272. Which is the smallest number, children? 238. Okay. 238 is the smallest number. When it comes 7 ja, 34 7 ja, 34 7 ja, 238. Here also do subtraction. 4 is smaller than 8. Take borrow from 4. It becomes 14. 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 means? Okay, ma. 14. Take both the fingers. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. After here we get 14 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. After here we close and start count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Okay. 6 is smaller than 34. So take here 8. Okay. There are 8 this column. Here we get 68. In the 34 table we have 68. Okay. 68. When it comes 2 ja, 34 2 ja. 34 2 ja, 68. 68 minus 68 is equal to 0. This is the remainder. This is the answer, children. 572. Each cricket bat cost is, here write down, children. Each cricket bat cost is equal to 572 rupees. Is equal to rupees 572. Okay. ఇక్కడ మీకు ప్లేస్ సరిపోలేదు కాబట్టి దీని పక్కన రాస్తారమ్మా, మీరు కింద రాయండి. ఓకే, రాయడం చూడండి. Each cricket bat cost is equal to 572. Sorry, rupees 572. ఇది ఎక్కడ రాయాలమ్మా మీరు? ఈ ఆన్సర్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత దీని కింద రాయండి. నాకు ప్లేస్ లేదు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ రాసిన మీరు కింద రాయండి. ఓకే. Okay, Amma, completed children. See children, page number 58. Do this. Do this. First one. First bit lo children. Divide and verify the answer. Verify the answer. Three 68475 divisible by 29. Second A bit, B bit. 41609224. See children, I am giving these two problems for homework children. ఓకే, మీరు ట్రై చేయండి అమ్మా. మీకు రాకపోతే నేను మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను. మీరు ఏం చేయాలి, ట్రై చేసి నాకు వాట్సాప్ లో పెట్టండి, నేను చెక్ చేస్తాను. ఒకవేళ రాంగ్ అయితే నేను మళ్ళీ మీకు హోంవర్క్ ఇస్తాను. ఓకే, మళ్ళీ నేను మీ క్లాస్ లో చెప్తాను. ఎందుకంటే పోర్షన్ అనేది మనకు చాలా ఉంది కాబట్టి యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ సమ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఫర్ హోంవర్క్. సి చిల్డ్రన్, మీరు ఏం చేయాలి, మీరు ట్రై చేయండి అమ్మా. మీకు రాకపోతే నేను మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను. ఓకే, homework problems. Okay, ma, this is your today's class, children. I hope that you understand today's class. Thank you, amma. Bye bye.